Welcome back to Inside Eastern Utah. We are here with Connie Hamilton from the Greek Festival, and this is the most anticipated event of the summer, I think, in Carbon County. So tell us what you have planned this year for the Greek Festival.
Well, first of all, thank you very much for having me come and represent our church. We're so excited that you are such an active participant in our publicity. Usually it's word of mouth, but we are so appreciative of everything that you have done so far. So anyway, Greek Festival does start this weekend, Friday and Saturday, the 14th and 15th, and it's at the Assumption Greek Orthodox Church, which is on 2nd East versus South. And I think most people in Carbon County have been there or are aware of it. We have a little issue this year with the parking because we usually have the courthouse parking lot, but with the construction going on, we've applied to have additional parking at the Methodist Church, at Mitchell Funeral Home, and the Peace Gardens, the old Penny's store. So there is plenty of parking. You might have to walk a little bit.
Well, that'll be good after you
I was
eat.
still get your extra. You got to
walking
walk off those great pastries.
Right, that's it. That's it. We're hoping for good weather, of course, and welcome to Utah. It's always hot here. So other than that, that's the only little glitch we have this year. And I might want to add too, do not park in the courthouse parking lot on Friday from 9 to 5 because of the construction there, and they need the courthouse parking for courthouse business. After 5 o'clock and all day Saturday, you're free to park there if you can find a place. So, okay, got that one out of the way. I think the main attraction at our festival, of course, is our food.
Absolutely.
And the food is absolutely fabulous again this year. We are selling the pastries downstairs in the church, so you know, it keeps it a little bit cooler down there. I know there's not a handicap access to the basement, but that we do have a chair that can take people down if need be. So that's downstairs, and also downstairs we have the to-go platters that are on Friday for the businesses. Roy Nickus is in charge of that, and he does a fabulous job. So on those to-go platters, we have a chicken, lamb, gyro platter, and it consists of that plus pilaf, green beans, a domade, and a cookie. So
Everything you need.
everything you need, and they're ready to go. So if you drop someone off, maybe with the parking situation, drop someone off, let them run downstairs, grab what you need for your business, and
you can drive around the block or
drive
something.
around the block and come back and pick them up. Right, they're only $10. You know,
And
that
that's for 2 hours on Friday? Is that
that's
when it
from
is?
11 until 2.
Oh,
it's for 3
3
hours.
Good.
So, and they kind of start coming a little bit earlier. So
Once
and
they start
especially-
smelling that food, they wait
That's
that
right.
way.
Yes,
That's
and
right.
especially with the pastries. And we have an abundance of pastries again this year, so don't be hesitant to want to go back for more of those as well. On Saturday night, it's not that we tire of the Greek food, but we're also adding cheeseburgers and hamburgers to our menu while people are there. So,
Well, that's good. Sometimes there's picky kids or, you know,
there
stuff
are,
like that.
There are. So yes. So that's, you know, as far as the menu goes, it's our usual a la carte menu. We've got the meats, which are the gyro souvlaki, which is the shish kebab, lamb, chicken, and then we've got the pilaf, which is the Greek rice. Everyone loves that. Domades are the Greek cabbage. Well,
Grape
some
leaves.
people do grape leaves, but some
What do
people
you do?
Yes, well, I do grape leaves, but I also do cabbage. But
What are they
but
at
the
the
grape
festival?
leaves
The grape leaves, okay.
And the fasolia, which are the green beans, and the calamari. And I don't know if you are a calamari fan, but the calamari is squid, and it's deep fried, battered and deep fried, and it is amazing.
Oh, it goes
good.
quick
It
through that
does.
line.
It
doesn't
does.
last
No,
long.
it really doesn't. The spanakopita is the cheese pita.
Love it.
Love that. But my very favorite are the cheese triangles. Yes, the tidopita. Those are amazingly good this year.
They're good every year. You guys have
I
been doing
know.
this
I
over
was just
40
gonna say,
years.
When are they not good? My mouth is already watering. I can't wait.
Absolutely. So enough with the food for a second, and we'll move on to the 5K. That is taking place on Saturday morning. And the 5K is open to everyone in the county or outsiders. Come and get your Greek on that way. You know, the Olympians were the the Greeks were the first Olympians. So
that's right.
we need to keep that tradition going. I don't know where we're running from, but
and people can still register for that through Carbon
Absolutely.
Rec. You can just call them. Their number is 636-3702.
Yes.
$15 a person, you get a T-shirt.
Absolutely.
Or $25 a family, right?
Yes. Or you can register the day
I was
of
just going to
at
say,
the church.
can you register there that
yes.
morning? And what time? Registration opens
7:30,
7:30?
yes.
And the 5K starts at 8?
8.
Okay.
So are they starting at the church?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So, that's another added addition to it. Let's not forget our dancers.
Yeah.
And the Greek dancers come from Salt Lake every year and support our church, and we're so excited to have them. There are two groups, the OPA, which are the Olympian, Parthenon, Athenian, that's OPA, and then also the Dionysius dancers, and they are the college-age kids. There are performances throughout the day, all day Friday, and Saturday there are only 4 performances, and they will end by 1:30. So you need to get there early and come to the west end of the pavilion to see them while you're enjoying your food. They are amazing. The Christokis Band is playing starting at 7:30 on Friday night, and they are authentic Greek music. Everyone can Greek dance. You don't need a partner, just grab someone's hand and get up and dance, and it is so much fun. Everybody can do the Zorba too. So that's, additional thing. We're really happy this year to have our gift shop. It's a refreshed gift shop. We've got it's under new management, and they have some amazing things. So don't forget, that's upstairs in the Sunday school building. Don't forget to go upstairs and visit the gift shop. And also there is what is called our Greek coffee shop up there. The Greek coffee will actually grow hair on your chest, Scotty.
Good, I've been looking a little bare.
Just saying, it's pretty strong, but it's amazing. Come in and give it a try as well.
And when you're in the church, there's going to be church tours going on throughout the days
next
as well.
Too. We are very blessed to have a new parish priest this year. His name is Father Seraphim Johns. He comes to us from Pocatello. He's very young and loves being here, loves our community, and is very excited to be involved in our community activities. He will be conducting church tours, 3 of them each day. You can congregate on the steps of the church, and he was glad to take you through and explain our parish. Now, our parish turned 100 years old last year. So we had our centennial, and it was, to maintain, it's on the National Historic Register.
I was just going to say, isn't it the oldest Greek parish in the state?
It's not in the state, but it's the one in continuous existence.
Okay.
So we have to maintain its status on the Historic Society. So a lot of the funds that we generate from Greek Festival go towards that. So,
That's good to know. I did a tour a couple years ago, and we actually filmed it and aired it on ATV10, and it was fascinating.
Yes.
So if you have a chance to do the tour, you should do it. It's
beautiful
so interesting.
in there, too.
It is.
It is
Absolutely
absolutely gorgeous. And on Sunday when the choir is singing and it's just angelic in there, you just feel very spiritual there. I don't want to go without mentioning our drawing. We've got a $500 cash prize, so make sure that you participate in that while you're there. Silent auction with great things on the silent auction. On Friday and Saturday from 3 to 5 in the church basement, it's free, and it's called Kids Bingo. So I can say the B word online because it's free. But the kids can just come down and play. I think the prize is like a quarter each game that they win or whatever. But they have some cute prizes for the kids. So that's some entertainment for them.
Well, yeah, there's definitely something for everyone, no matter what age, and obviously the food everyone can be happy with.
Yes.
So.
Absolutely. So I think we've covered everything that is going on for Greek Festival Days. We just want to encourage everyone to please come down, visit and listen to the sights and the sounds and the smells, and just enjoy the company at Greek Festival Days this weekend at the Assumption Greek Orthodox Church. Thank you so much.
Yes,
Oh,
thank
thanks
you
for coming. Yeah.
Obviously, we always look forward to it every year, and you guys are doing a great job. Every year, it's just better and bigger, I
agree.
swear.
Well, and it has been going on for a number of years, and I don't want to say people don't get tired of it. It's just getting difficult to do for some of the older people. So, you
Time
know,
for your generation to step up and
that's
take
right.
over, I
That
guess.
is right. The work ethic needs to start showing.
Well, yes,
Yeah.
the community definitely doesn't want to see it go away.
No
so
way.
You guys
Yeah.
are always taking assistance. I know even people that aren't involved with the church come out to help
That's
each
right.
year. So we appreciate your time, and we really look forward to it. I'm sure you're going to be busy the rest of the week.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yes, we are.
Okay. Well, thanks so much, Connie, and thank you
Yeah.
for tuning in. Don't miss the Greek Festival this weekend, Friday and Saturday.
That's right.
And then join us next week. We will be back here on Inside Eastern Utah.